Action, go.
Hi, my name is Josephine.
Hi, my name is Josephine and
And welcome back to Fun Making Baking Cakes.
yeah, and I'm going to do pizzas.
So this is the cake we're making today. This right here. And today we are making a cake with these two things. So this is the things he brought, and so we'll be using sprinkles and chickpeas. Does any of you guys hate chickpeas?
I don't like chickpeas.
If you don't, give me a comment.
I don't like chickpeas.
Hello, welcome back to Fun of Making Cakes. Today we are going to be making a...
You already want to do that? Keep going.
So we will be using Aquafaba, some eggs, some butter, and one cup of water.
I will do this.
And we
So
have vegan
today,
butter.
and vegan water.
Vegan butter.
And vegan butter. Let's get started. My mom is opening up the cake batter. The first piece of cake batter that we will be using. And we are using fun confetti. We are using this batter that's called fun confetti. So, look, this is the thing we will be using. Do you see that red and blue in it? Those are sprinkles in it. This is really fun.
Oh no.
I'm getting it in the mixer. And right now, my brother is helping me. Stone, say your name.
I'm talking with Echo. And I'm doing
now,
it
Mommy.
Alright, go ahead and pour it in the water.
Where's the water?
Carefully.
Carefully. Now, Aquafaba.
Why did you use Aquafaba?
Because we did not have eggs and just needed 3 real eggs. So that's what we are using for eggs. Now let's pour the butter in. My mom will be doing that. It's kind of hot, but I'll try.
Vegan butter.
It's vegan butter. See, my brother loves vegan butter because it does not taste like anything. It tastes like butter. Two. It's mixing. Me and my brother love watching it.
Alright, while it's mixing, tell them a little about yourselves.
So we were born in Florida, and
Go ahead, Joe.
Did you know? I love baking cakes and I love parties.
So don't look it up. Who is this party for? Who's this cake for?
It's for our Pampers and for one of my Gale dolls. For Chase and Toothless, the ones who always. I think those two like that.
Don't let nothing touch you. Understand? That don't let nothing touch you. That's serious, isn't it? It's giving touch. Can I take some?
The slide. Fun confetti.
Funfetti.
Funfetti. Vanilla frosting, African flavor. And it has sprinkles on the top. These boxes right here are my favorite because they are easy to use.
The ball.
Action.
Well, so it's Black Panther's and America's birthday. We can celebrate America's birthday anytime we want. So here's our cupcake trays, and I'm sure you can see my brother's stones. So let's see if we can get this thing and get it set so we can get it up. Oh Lord, look at all that stuff.
Dad, don't take it. Oh, and we make these cupcakes. See, look. And we have this cow apple for the play, but it's a new one outside ready. And they're going in the oven right now. But hello, I love you. Bye.
Stone, walk it over. So this is the next one we will be doing. This is the next one we will be doing.
Don't
So
put pause on that. We're not doing that.
I can be the papa. With it
so we will be doing
papa.
this thing after they cool down and we get them out of the oven. So after we wait for 20 seconds, 20 minutes, it will be ready. So we will be getting on after the cupcakes get out of the oven and cool down. After that we will be going to this right here. So it's all good. We will be securing this. I know you all guys love our apps and this time you will love our videos. So don't stop it. So we will be doing some. So we might make some game videos, which we won't, but we will be doing some art videos. This is not only cooking. So that's my mom over there. She's getting dressed in. And so we're using these for the cake. I don't know, but we'll be using something.
I'm doing the papa.
You can taste it. Pop up, taste it.
This is really good, Zachary. So we're fresh out of the tub and we're gonna get the icing on now, and we're gonna get some sprinkles on. So let's start. Ronnie,
Yeah?
can we start doing icing?
Go for it.
You want ice? This is how much you could need. If you have 5, that's how much you could need. I'm sure that's not all you need, but I'm not sure, so I'll try my best to do this. So do not get a big dollop, okay? Okay. Well, just try to get the whole cupcake. We made a cupcake and a cake. The cake is cooling down. It took a few minutes to bake. These are fresh out of the oven. It was a pie. Okay.
Good job.
The kids have not seen it, okay?
Okay, that's right.
That's great. It's a birthday party for Black Panther and
What color? Them. You mentioned it birthday.
And well.
and for America.
Right.
I'm Toothless. And Toothless and 99 doll.
Pretty cool.
She did all I brought down. Okay?
What's
So those are the birthdays.
I'll taste
People.
it. Birthday too.
It's his birthday too. We can't find him yet. So
No, it's baby Chase.
and it's baby Chase's. Yeah. Chase. Chase.
Okay, Dada.
Chase is Big Chase's birthday has not came up yet. Stop, Stone. Stop getting a lot. You're losing the whole thing. My brother's getting a lot.
He's trying. I'm good, guys.
My mom's doing it too. Let me show you.
No.
Okay, so this is what we're doing. This is our second video. We might be doing the other video soon. Okay, so this is our cake video. You might not do this is a party. It's a so maybe we might do some music videos and a lot of stuff, but we will do something. So please watch all of our videos. We will be making more. This is the first one we might put out. So good luck and bye bye. Okay, so we're gonna shake on our sprinkles and we'll be done. I can't figure out how to get these out. Take a lick. We have baked more cakes than this. And this will, some of our videos you have missed. We do not do a lot of videos, so we will do a second video soon, but this is what we've done. That's our creation. These cupcakes and cake was the America cake. So bye-bye, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye! Okay.
Right.